Hi traders! In the video description you'll find timestamps divided by topic, so you can quickly jump to the part you're interested in. In today's video, we'll show you how to place trades on the platform, and how you can modify and close them, either the entire position or just a part of it. In the RF Trader platform, you can open a trade in several ways. One option is using the buy or sell buttons above the chart. Another option is using the sell or buy market buttons in the top bar. The last option is directly through the chart. If you want to open a trade at a specific level, move your mouse cursor to the desired price level and right-click. A window will appear with options to open an order depending on the price level where you want to enter, at the current price, below the current price, or above the current price. You simply select the appropriate option. In each of these cases, the next steps are the same. If you don't have one-click trading enabled in the settings, a risk management calculator will appear where you enter the trade details. There you can also see the exact transaction fee, how much margin the trade will use, and the pip value based on your position size. At the top of the risk management calculator, you'll see the current spread. Then you choose the order type, whether you want to open the trade immediately or set a pending order. If you want to open a trade immediately, you set the position size and risk and click the button at the bottom of the calculator. The system will instantly display the trade details on the chart using lines, and you'll also see the full details in your positions in the dashboard. If you decide during the trade that you want to modify it, there are two options. The first option is in the positions section, where you can edit the trade using the pencil icon. After you click it, a window will appear where you can modify your trade. If your trade is in profit and you want to move your risk to break even, this button will automatically move your stop loss to break even. The second option is directly on the chart. If you want to adjust your stop loss or take profit, simply drag the line on the chart up or down. Once you release the line, the system updates your trade and confirms it with a message. If you want to make further changes, you can click the trade button shown on the chart, which will open the same window again. After making your changes, click Modify and the system will save them. If you want to place a pending order, you open it using buttons, which will show the risk management calculator. At the top of the calculator, you'll find Limit or Stop, where you can set your pending orders, including the validity period of the order. Once you confirm opening the trade, the lines will appear on the chart, and you'll also see your pending trade in the pending orders section. If you want to close any trade, whether it's an active trade or a pending one, you can do it in the dashboard by clicking the X button or the To Close option, where you have multiple choices. After clicking To Close, the system will immediately close the selected trades. However, if you click the X button, you can close only part of the position. For example, if you want to keep the trade running but take partial profit. You do this by clicking X. A window will appear and you can choose how much of the position you want to close. For example, if you want to close half of the trade, you reduce the lot size by half and click Close. You will immediately see that half of the volume is still running. In our platform, you can also enable trailing stop. It's a moving stop loss that automatically shifts in your favor to gradually lock in profit or reduce loss when the market moves in the right direction. You set a distance from the current price, for example 5 pips, and the platform then tracks the price and moves the stop loss so it stays approximately at that distance. If the price turns against you and returns by the set distance, the position will be closed. The important thing is that the trailing stop only moves in one direction. For a sell position, it moves only downward, so if the market falls, the stop follows it. But if the market starts rising, the stop does not move back. For a buy position, it moves only upward, so if the market rises, the stop moves higher, but if the market starts falling, the stop does not move back, and the position will close after a pullback of the set distance. You can enable it by opening a position and clicking to edit the trade. A window will appear, and at the bottom you'll find the trailing stop option. You can also adjust it later manually or by dragging its line on the chart. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via our customer support, where we'll be happy to help.